everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you're not here, my name is Madalina, or Mad if that's easier to pronounce for you, and in today's video I have for you an house update. If you haven't seen my first two videos about my house and me building a house and so on, I will link them down below so you can check those first if you're interested, or if you're not, just keep watching. Okay, so yesterday we had to paint this edge around the house with the black rubber solution. This is to make the base waterproof, but you have to be fast with it because it gets really thick really fast and you can't spread it anymore. And we put in place these poles to sustain the plates of concrete that are going to be placed on the walls. I don't know why, but it looks like a forest to me. And today we put this blue isolation against it and the black bricks that are glass foam, I think. We still have this wall to do. Oh man, I am beat for today. It's been a really long day. I look like a crazy person right now. The sun was like shining on my head all day. I think I got burned. I'm really red. And yeah, I didn't do much. I just put this tape on, like, in between the isolation plates or pieces or whatever you want to call them, because I cannot talk anymore. But yeah, it's really hard to put it like all the way up because the house is, I don't know, I think it's like 3.60 meters and I couldn't reach. I took a ladder, but I was too scared to go all the way up. But yeah, today it was all about isolation. We didn't finish yet. We still have one wall and they're gonna do it tomorrow, hopefully. So we did this wall, which is the biggest wall. This one we didn't do it yet. And then we did this, and that. Yeah, but look how big the isolation is. And here, because it's the carport, is a bit thinner. It's like this much. We did a lot today. Hello, so it's been a while since I came here for the house update vlog thingy, but my boyfriend just called me. It's now, I think, 1 week after I last filmed, and tomorrow I'm gonna go back to the house and help him do some stuff. I don't know exactly what, maybe lay some bricks for like the outside bricks, but I will take you guys with me and show you what we are gonna do. But this is so exciting. I am so excited about this because I can finally do something and not just sit down all the time. I mean, I'm not doing that all the time. See you guys tomorrow morning. So this is the wall that we have until now. This was made in like 3 days, so we have to take all these bricks and put them in this yellow stuff, but mix them so they won't be like the same color. So we have to take like 2 from this, 2 from that, 2 from that, and put them in one of these yellow things, and then the other one, the other one, the other one. It's gonna be a long day. Okay, so this is what we did. We took from all these open stacks and put like 2 and 2 and 2 and 2 in here. That's it for today. We've been to the house and we have the ceiling now. They brought the concrete stuff and they put it there. All the iron is there, and next week, because now it's Friday, so Monday they're gonna pour the concrete, and I think in 2 weeks they're gonna start building the second floor. So yeah, that's exciting. It's raining outside. This is how the outside bricks look like, and this wall is almost done. And these are the concrete plates that I keep talking about. They have arrived today, and we also placed the granite under the windows. Smooth. It's been a while since I went to the house. I think it's been like 1 or 2 weeks. But I got ready now and I'm just gonna go. They already poured the ceiling of the first floor and now they just started to build the inside walls for the second level, and I didn't expect this. It's Tuesday now and they were planning to do this on Monday because the concrete needed to harden, dry, how do you call that? But they just started and I'm just gonna go and check it out. And I'm wearing this t-shirt from Game of Thrones. I made a video about that. It's called Discover Dubrovnik with me, or First Time in Dubrovnik. If you're curious about Game of Thrones and Dubrovnik, just go and check out my vlog. I'll link it in the description down below. If you're not interested in my work life, just skip to minute 11 because then the fun starts. But until 11 I'm just talking about my work, so skip that. Okay, I'm in the car now, so I'm just gonna go to the house now. Why is it taking me so long to say that? I don't know. It's so warm outside today. They poured the stairs the same day with the ceiling. This is going so fast right now. You like that boy? Yes. Yes. Hello guys, so first things first, if you're wondering why I have makeup on, it's because I filmed 2 try-on hauls, so you probably already saw them. It's an H&M and Everything 5 pounds haul. We're gonna go to the house right now because my boyfriend had to actually work today, like his real job. So we don't know what is happening at the ground. We don't know how much they worked today or if they even did something. So we are just gonna go there and see if there is any progress today. So let's go. It's already done. They did a lot of stuff. Wow, these 2 walls, they were made today. This one and this one. That's crazy. And they finished this one here. So there is gonna be the bedroom, there is gonna be the dressing, and there is gonna be the bed. Okay, so it's day 4 of building the last floor of the house. Don't look at my face because I just had a rough day yesterday because my dad just keeps going in and out of the hospital, so yeah, we're gonna go to the ground again and see if they finished the walls. I hope they did, but I don't think so because it's too fast. So yeah, we will just see. It's Thursday today and I think they just have a bit left. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, so let's just go and check the house. Okay, so when you come up on the stairs, then you have this open wall here, and here is the hallway. So here is gonna be a room. We thought to make it like a kid's room, but because the sun is shining from that side, I think I'm gonna make it a filming room, so I have natural light, but I'm not sure yet. We go here in one of the bathrooms. It's gonna be until here. The wall is not done yet, and here it's gonna be another room, and again until this stuff here, like the nets, it's gonna be another wall. So this is gonna be another bedroom. This is our bedroom part, so it's just one door bathroom here, and it's not done yet, but here is gonna be like a shower and toilet, bathtub, and sinks. And then here is gonna be open. We're gonna have a closet because this is gonna be the dressing, so all around these walls are gonna be closets for our clothes. And then we're gonna have here a sliding door and go into the bedroom. I thought the bedroom is small, but looking at it is really big now, because the bed is gonna be like from here until here, so we have a lot of space. And here is gonna be like a fixed window and a window that opens so we can go out on the terrace, so in the morning we can have this amazing view. If the weather is gonna be good tomorrow, they're gonna finish all the walls, because they have like 2 big walls and just like a 1 meter wall from down till up, like a wall between the shower and the toilet. And yeah, this is almost done, and then the fun begins. So that was the progress that we have made in exactly 1 month. I don't know if you think this is interesting or not, but here it is. So be sure you let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!